Hello, I am Nicolas Meunier, and today I'm going to introduce Ariel. Ariel is a new industrial power measurement solution from MKS OPHIR. First, let me introduce you MKS. MKS was founded in 1961 and is based in Andover, Massachusetts. MKS is a global provider of solutions for semiconductor, industrial technologies, life and health sciences, research and defense. In 2020, he had a turnover of $2.3 billion and employed about 5,800 people. MKS was well known for vacuum processing, and in 2016, it acquired Newport Corporation, bringing laser solutions, motion, photonics, and optics to the portfolio. In 2019, it acquired Electroscientific Industries, which also brought to the portfolio laser-based process equipment. If we now have a look at the OPHIR brand, OPHIR Photonics is a supplier of power and energy measurements from picowatt to hundreds of kilowatts, and also beam profiling using scanning slit, camera, or non-contact solution for all wavelengths. OPHIR also has some turnkey solution for the industry, like the Helios power meter, the BeamWatch integrated beam profiling and power meter for automated production line, as well as the BeamWatch AM, a compact beam profiler and power meter for the additive manufacturing market. Let's have a look at the challenges when measuring high power laser in confined and harsh environments. The typical applications for that are additive manufacturing, material processing like welding, cutting, marking, coding and grading, or the medical applications. This could happen for field service, production, and R&D. In all these cases, we always have the same issues. Something compact and portable is needed. Something rugged, with no cable, no water cooling, easy to use, and fast to measure. If we now have a look at the current solutions, on the one hand, we have the active cooling power meters, power sensors, either with water or air. And on the other hand, we have the power sensors without cooling, so the passive cooling power sensors, which could be operated with a meter, a Bluetooth module. We have the industrial or rugged power sensor, and we have the handheld power sensor. But if you look, we have nothing in the middle having all these characteristics, which are no cooling, rugged, and standalone. This is why we introduced Ariel. Ariel is a small size industrial power meter. We can measure very high power laser power lasers beam. What Ariel offers is an incredible flexibility. It can measure from milliwatt to up to 8 kilowatts and a very bright range of wavelengths, like visible green and blue, near infrared, medical wavelengths, as well as CO2 lasers. It offers two different measurement modes, either a pulse mode up to 8 kilowatt, a very short pulse up to 8 kilowatt, or a continuous measurement mode up to 500 watt. It is compact and self-contained with its own battery, memory, and display for standalone measurement, but it also offers a Bluetooth communication for remote measurement with a PC or any Android application. It doesn't need any water cooling, and you have the high thermal capacity. That means you can do many successive measurements without overheating the device. Ariel is packed with smart features within its robust, dust-proof, and water-resistant. But it can also automatically detect when the laser is on the detector, so you don't have to manually start the measurement. It is very fast to respond and to deliver a result in less than 3 seconds. It's got a detachable diffuser, so that means you can either use the standard protective window or this diffuser for high power density beams like typical in the additive manufacturing industry. You can monitor the heat of the device on the display, and you've got 15 hours of operation. It supports PC and Android application. As you can see here, on the left side, we've got the standard window that you can unscrew and replace with the diffuser. The diffuser can withstand very high power density beams. That means beams with very high power and a small waste, typical for the additive manufacturing. It also has many mounting possibilities at the bottom. If we now have a look at the StarViewer Android application, it displays the power, of course, but the last measurement, minimum, max, average, a temporal graph, and many more features. In a nutshell, Ariel is a small, robust, and smart high-power measurement tool. It can be operated standalone in a constrained and harsh environment, but also remotely with Bluetooth via a PC or any Android solution. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me or visit our online booth. Thank you very much.